cheering with the Sharks. The May River High School cheer team is bringing the spirit as they hit the mats, leading a high-energy cheer camp for kids.
All the little kids that don't know how to cheer or learning how to cheer, so when they get to our age, they already have the experience. They know not to be nervous or scared because they've been doing it since they were young, like how I've been doing it.
The 4-day camp is all about building teamwork while teaching the younger cheerleaders the fundamentals like jumps, stunts, and more.
We're teaching them how to stunt, we're teaching them how to tumble, we're teaching them how to work together as a team, and we always tell them to have positive attitude, smile. You know, the biggest thing is to smile and have fun, but it's always squeeze your knees or point your toes, things like that.
We're preparing them for when they want to come cheer our school, and we're teaching them how to stunt and jump and dance and be nice to each other and smile and everything and just put on a show.
The kids are having fun as they build their cheerleading skills and confidence.
I'm learning how to base and do tumbling.
Go, fight, win, stars, let's go,
To squeeze my knees and to keep my feet together when I'm stunting. Cheer is so much fun. How to do flips and stuff.
Now in its 3rd year, the camp is a proud tradition for the cheer team, helping to build a strong and spirited cheer community.
When I took over the program 4 years ago, the team asked if we could create a summer camp for girls that would not only support cheerleading in our area, but support the May River community and give little girls a program to look up to that they could aspire to be part of. So we have our first camper turned athlete on our team right now, and we hope to have some more in the future.
On the last day of camp, parents watched as the cheerleaders performed special routines with the kids, handed out awards, and celebrated the bonds they're building.
It's super happy seeing little kids be passionate and want to be like us, and it's fun seeing them grow and become better cheerleaders through our camp.
I think it's really fun because I used to look up to some of these girls that are in the gym at the moment when I used to come to these camps when I was little, so it's really honoring and inspiring to see the little girls copy us when we're on the sidelines. I think it's just the cutest thing ever.
More than 75 kids from pre-kindergarten to 6th grade took part in the cheer camp.
go, fight, win.
At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.